As the name suggests, breakfast is a meal that breaks the overnight fast. It replaces your glucose supply to help you feel more energized and alert, as well as supplying other vital nutrients for optimal health. But what makes a good breakfast? Is it avocado or boiled eggs? Well, stay tuned, because we are going to tell you our top 10 healthiest breakfast choices that would guarantee an amazing start to your day. But before we go any further, if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to our channel and make sure to hit that notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Number 10. Oatmeal. Are you someone who is trying to control your weight? Or someone who is looking for a gluten-free breakfast option? Well, in that case, oatmeal has got your back. It is the safest and most nutritional option, and has to be one of the most popular breakfast meals. Oatmeal includes insoluble fiber, which helps to decrease cholesterol and regulate blood sugar levels, making you feel fuller. Number 9. Avocado. Looking pretty with its aesthetic green color isn't the only thing avocado has to offer. It is also quite a good option for your breakfast. Yup, a slice of avocado toast topped with sliced tomatoes, onions, and salt and pepper is enough to keep you going all day. And fun fact, avocados contain chemicals that protect the body in the same manner that olive oil does. Number 8. Spinach. Now, this might not be the most appetizing food item on our list, but hear me out. This leafy green vegetable that's nearly all water contains a good quantity of folate and muscle-building fiber, making it the foundation of any nutritious green drink. Spinach can help prevent osteoporosis and heart disease, two of the most common health problems in older people. Number 7. Egg. Eggs have to be one of the most popular breakfast options out there. Both the yolk and the white are high in protein and heart-healthy unsaturated fats. And what could be a better way to start the day than with the proper amount of important minerals and vitamins? Eggs are quite adaptable and can be prepared in a variety of ways. They are extremely filling and will keep you satisfied until lunchtime, regardless of how you prepare them. Number 6. Sweet potato. Now, these might not be as popular as eggs, but they too are a good option for breakfast. Sweet potatoes are a great way to start the day because they are high in fat-burning chemicals. They manage to provide a sense of fullness, at least until lunch, due to their low glycemic index. Number 5. Berries. A bowl full of berries is not only the perfect picture to post on your Instagram, but it is also quite healthy. Berries take the prize for being one of the world's healthiest breakfast meals. Strawberry, blueberry, raspberry, and other fruits are not only high in heart-healthy antioxidants, but they also provide you a rush of energy in the morning. Number 4. Banana. Now, a banana might sound very simple for breakfast, but did you know tossing some sliced bananas in your fruit bowl will raise your mood and give you an invigorated start to the day? The resistant starch in bananas is what makes them so great. It helps with digestion and doesn't leave you feeling bloated. Number 3. Wild salmon. Now, if I'm being honest, this sounds like a pretty odd choice for breakfast. But because of its rich omega-3 fatty acid content, salmon is already regarded as a brain superfood. If you want to change up your morning routine, adding it at least twice a week should suffice. Number 2. Chia seeds. The chia seed health trend is one you should definitely get on board with. This superfood sprang to prominence as one of the world's healthiest seeds. Adding some to a bowl of yogurt with fruit or salad will provide the proper amount of nutritional advantages, as well as a wonderful crunch to your meal. Antioxidants, fiber, calcium, and a slew of other essential nutrients that chia seeds provide shield your body from pollutants. Number 1. Black tea. Black tea is an important part of a balanced diet that is often overlooked. It may take some time to get used to the robust and strong flavor, but once you do, it's a terrific beverage that will keep you focused throughout the day. Caffeine from black tea will not only help you battle fatigue, but it will also improve your mental sharpness. And that was pretty much it from today's video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit that like button and let us know in the comments what you think is the perfect breakfast. We will see you next time, and thank you for watching!